Happy New Year 2024 to all our advanced analytics and AI leaders. I hope you enjoy the holiday season and festivities with your loved ones. As we reflect in 2023, we saw a lot of chatter in the B2C space with ChatGPT, Bing AI, and other. And now we see it beginning to change the expectations for B2B space. As we look forward, I do not doubt that 2024 is the year of adoption of AI across many industries, including financial services, rail, transportation, healthcare, insurance, pharma, and manufacturing. What does this mean to all of us? To keep up with the accelerated pace of innovation, we need to leverage the enterprise data assets to deliver incredible cost savings and productivity. We as Kavi Global can help you in 3 ways. First, we can help you address your current challenges with highly skilled engineers. We offer our expert consultants in the US and India to fill critical roles in your teams. These roles include solution architects, data engineers, data scientists, developers, testers, and more. Or you can outsource your entire advanced analytics and AI department to our Analytics Center of Excellence. Second, we can help you accelerate the deployment of your state-of-the-art digital solutions. Our solution here is our patented no-code data and AI engine, Advana. Please sign up for a free trial of Advana solution on our website. Third, we can help you lean and automate your complex business processes to reduce operating costs and increase return on investment. Our solution here is the Digital Knowledge Worker platform. It empowers knowledge workers with intelligent applications to drive their productivity to new heights. Please sign up for a free consultation to discuss how you can lean complex business processes with AI. We look forward to innovating and co-creating business value with you in 2024. We will empower you with the right technologies, people, and processes. Happy New Year!